recently showed you the Asus Zenfone 5Z, which was the flagship device from Asus, and we have already shown you the launch of this device. Now finally we have got our hands on the device, and I have the product with me, and I'll be doing the unboxing for you guys. So without wasting any time, let's just quickly unbox the phone for you. Okay, so let me just quickly open the box for you here. So first thing that you have is your let me just open this for you. You have your SIM card tool ejector, which comes handy, by the way, and you have literature in case you want to just set up your device and you don't know. Oh yeah, you also get a rubber, the silicone rubber cover. Well, this comes really handy when you have a phone which has got glass at the back as well as at the front. Okay, let me just quickly show you the phone here. So this is a midnight blue color that we have, and it does look absolutely stunning and elegant. Okay, so in the meanwhile the phone gets powered up, let me also show you what else you get inside the box apart from your headset, your silicone rubber cover, and that SIM tool ejector. Well, now just take a look. Okay, so you are getting a 18 watts fast charging adapter, which comes really handy when you are out of battery and you want to charge your phone. Also, you have a Type-C charging cable. Let's take a look what else you have. Okay, so well, for the very first time the company is giving you a high resolution earphones. Even OnePlus 6 doesn't include earphones with the unit, and of course your extra earbuds. Now moving towards the camera, it's got a dual camera setup, and the 12 megapixel camera is f1.8 aperture, and you also got the second camera, which is an 8 megapixel, which is your wide angle. Now moving towards the front camera, it has a 8 megapixel selfie shooter with the 2.0 aperture. While talking about the display, it's a 6.2 inches IPS LCD Full HD Plus display with 19:9 aspect ratio. There are 3 variants available. The one that I have is a 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which is priced at Rs 29,999. Well, apart from this, there are 2 more variants, which is the 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which is priced at Rs 32,999. And there's also one last variant, which is the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, priced at Rs 36,999. Well, that's not all. These products are available exclusively on Flipkart, and you can also avail discount of Rs 3,000 flat if you purchase this from ICICI debit card or credit card. Well, now talking about the processor, it's running on the powerful Snapdragon 845 processor octa-core along with Adreno 630. Now talking about the battery, it has got a 3300 mAh battery, which I think would do the task easily. It has also got your fingerprint scanner at the back and face unlock, and the best thing is that the face unlock won't work if your eyes are closed. It is also running on the latest Android Oreo. Well, I think with an aggressive price tag and on the top specification and the design, well, I think this is gonna be a game changer for Asus, absolutely.